Mississippi, y'all. Manny here, checking in. And yeah, that was quick. Oh man, look at that rainstorm up ahead. Sheesh, again. Wow. Man, I was held up again going through the Mobile, Alabama tunnel. Another 15 minutes lost. And that sucks. So I'm about 9 hours and 15 minutes away from my destination. Oh, and then I pull over to get some gas, top off, and I pull into this one gas station right after the tunnel. And let me tell you, there are some ignorant effing people out here, people. I swear, people don't give a crap about nobody else. Mind you, I'm pulling a trailer, and my fuel cap is on the right side of the truck. So I'm waiting for this lady that's parked in a fuel pump, you know, in the same way that I'm going to need to get in there, and she's just sitting there. They all get out, they go in the trunk, not even pumping gas, and then they go into the store, grab their snacks, come back, and sit in the car and don't do nothing. And I'm like, really? I mean, she didn't even move. A guy across from her actually moved, and I ended up going over there and pumping mine and had to stretch that hose to go all the way around to the other side. And like I said, this place was tight enough as it is. You got a million people trying to get fuel, to include some a military unit that was topping off, I guess, for the weekend. And I'm just looking at this lady with, you know, this stupid ass look on her face, and I'm like, just shaking my head. But anyway, next state should be well, I'm going through Mississippi now, and after this, I should be going into Texas. See you guys in a bit.